She's here, Kimberly. How you
Hi.
doing? Hi,
I'm
how you
doing fine.
Kimberly, say hi to the folks, Amy.
Hi.
Hello everybody.
We're making a delivery to one of our special customers who is not at home, but her special daughter is here. And she's coming, she's here, Kimberly. How you doing?
Hi.
Hi,
I'm
how you
doing fine.
Kimberly, say hi to the folks, Amy.
Hi.
Hello everybody. So we're here making a delivery for Kimberly's mom. Kimberly, you know if your mommy like our service?
Yes.
Yeah, Kimberly say her mommy like our service. This is not her first time getting her
No,
delivery.
not the first, not the second.
Alright, she's a regular customer. Guys, you heard that? If you're not a regular customer, is it too late?
Never too late.
Never too late for us to join us. Kimberly, you sound like you go to the University of the West Indies.
Technology.
She go to UTech, she go to the best school. I test me to Sarna, guys. Hey, all of you UTech people, pick up on yourself. All of you UTech people, we love you, know, but UTech is better. I'm not telling a lie. Which faculty in?
Business.
She's doing business. She's in business management, and the camera lady shake her head like she's in business management too. So we have two business management people here. I'm a science guy myself, so I'm not an argument with you. We don't make more money than me. So guys, we are here, we're making the delivery, we're just chit-chatting with our customers. You know we do it already, because we love our customers. There's a link somewhere here. What should they do? Should they click on that link? You think so?
They have to click on that
You
link.
hear that? You need to click on the link, join us today, so you can become a regular customer, and so you can go UTech. You people not alright, you know, but UTech will say, UTech to the world. Tell them bye-bye for me, Kim.
Bye.
Bye guys. She posting in. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Guys, what's up? We're here. We're on the delivery trail again. I'm a nice day one customer here. Who move for me, she move, I'm fine. Happy New Year.
Same to you. Thank
Happy
you.
anniversary. Happy birthday. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy everything. A long time. Here what? There is a card here. You see it?
Alright.
You see when you look on the one here. You're going to fill up, put your mailbox here. And you're going to give this card to one of your anybody. Somebody at church, somebody at work. When they get this card, they're going to sign up with us. And then they're going to enter WhatsApp your mailbox number to us. And we're going to give you a free 5 coupon.
That sounds awesome.
You hear that, guys? We're free this. See the card there? And the line me I tell. And there's another one on this package. So she have 2 cards. She can get 2 5 coupons. Isn't that wonderful? We always give her things. We love give her things. These are yours, man. These are your packages.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright, guys. You need to join us. There's a link somewhere here. Join us so you can get some nice. You get a package delivered and you get some nice opportunity to ship for free. Because you're going to get 2 5 coupons for free. Right?
Alright.
Alright. Bye bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.